I've had these gloves for 2 years and they are just like they were when I got them. Let me put them on and show you how they work. When you wear these gloves, you don't have to use a sponge, or you don't have to use a brush or a dishcloth, according to what you're doing, because they have little bristles. See the little bristles? Hear how they scrub? I've got some peppers here that I need to wash, so I'm just going to hold them under the faucet and use my finger with these gloves and wash them off. So I don't have to bother with another sponge or clean them with a brush. I don't have to do that because these little bristles work so great. They really clean things. Got a lemon, so it makes really short work of your job because you're not using a third implement to do something. Here's an avocado. So I've got all those vegetables washed off in just a couple of minutes. These have been so great, and I can't believe how long they're lasting. I mean, it's been 2 years. So I looked back on my Amazon orders and there it had been 2 years. So I wanted to show you and let you know how convenient these are and how they work. Also, if they're dry, you could brush your pet with them. I've used them so much, and you might like to try them too.